the noisiest piece of paper you've ever heard? That? Or maybe this? Or even that? Well, I think I've heard a noisier piece of paper than any of those. And it starts with a single sheet of paper, which you fold in halves lengthwise. And then make a point at this end by folding those two corners in. Do the same thing at the other end, like so. Fold it back in halves lengthwise, and then in halves again. Now you have 2 points that are poking down here. Fold one of them up this way, turn the whole thing over and fold the other point to match, and then simply hold the contraption by those 2 points and give it a sharp flick downwards, and you will hear this, which is noisier than any of the other pieces. What's happening, of course, is as you flick it down, air catches underneath and pushes that piece of paper out, and as it straightens up very rapidly, you hear that click. That's the noisiest piece of paper I've ever heard. Here's the noisiest piece of cardboard I've ever heard. Are you ready for it?